The wisdom of trees. Lush green trees are all around us. However, do you know that trees contain a few life lessons as well? Let us find out more. Energy from an unknown source. The source of energy nurturing the tree is unseen. Just think how much this applies to us humans as well. Our source of awakening our soul is also invisible and transcending. If we want to change for the better, we must start paying attention to our invisible innate powerhouse of wisdom and energy residing in our being. Great things come from tiny beginnings. A small seed grows into a mighty tree with the right nurturing. Apart from nutrition, love and laughter affects their growth too. The same principle applies to humans who, apart from materialism, need spiritual virtues to flourish fully. It is important to have roots. A tree buries its roots deep into the earth, spreading them out over large hidden areas. Roots are what grounds the tree and imbibe nutrition from the soil. In this way, we must also allow our close network of family and friends to provide us support and nourishment spiritually. It pays to branch out in today's complex world. Branching out like a tree can be wonderful for you. Extend your arms to the beautiful world to care and share, to support the weak, and at the tip of each branch, a new future awaits like new blossoms and leaves. Be flexible. Bend in humility but never ever break. Always be firmly rooted. Only when your foundation is strong and your trunk solid, you can sway and move harmoniously with the wind. This natural flow attitude towards life is the secret of success in life. Shed your old hard bark in order to grow. As some trees grow, their barks become hard and thick and interfere with growth. Hence, they periodically shed it in layers to give way to new soft bark. We humans are born with soft, loving hearts, but as we grow our ego, greed and selfishness makes our hearts hard, anoxic and stressed. Unless we don't shed these negative traits, we will never be able to grow. No expectations. The tree stands with outstretched arms bearing the noon heat to give shade to others, bearing the burden of the fruits till they ripen and are plucked by others, offering shelter to birds, squirrels and other creatures without any discrimination. Humans should also open their hearts to everyone. Grow freely. A seed germinates or a root sprouts freely when planted properly. Just like no two trees are alike, and each grows and bends of its own accord with distinctive trunk, branches and leaves, similarly don't be afraid to be different. Embrace your flaws and delight in what makes you you. Never feel the need to adhere to others' ideals. Just be yourself, you are unique. If you like this video, please share it. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.